Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's keep going with our trading plan. So yesterday we have discussed the possible reaction to the downside. We warned that this might be not for everybody because this trade was carrying, well, additional risk because it stands against the major context. So it stands to the downside, while we have the bullish context on the daily chart. We have the trend up actually. So, but at the same time, for the bulls, actually, for those of you who would like to take the long position, it certainly doesn't matter whether this retracement and pullback now stands or it will not happen. So, because if it goes and we get this pullback, that's fine. We just will get a better entry opportunity for taking the long position later, at least with the pattern that we have. If market suddenly start upward direction, in this case, as we said, we'll probably start watching for it using the stop buy order near the top, aiming on the possible breakout of this resistance. Now the question is only for the bears, what to do with the current position, those who have taken it. So on lower time frame, downside action looks pretty nice. And that probably might become the answer on the question whether we will get harmonic shoulder, as we discussed yesterday's major riddle was on this situation, whether we will get minor shoulder with upward breakout or we'll get deeper downside action with the normal shoulder somewhere around 108 area. And now it seems that everything goes to normal harmonic shoulder, or at the ultimate situation, failure of this potential pattern, downside continuation, deeper drop, and so on. But let's go step by step. First, we will be watching for an area around 108, 107.90, whereas the 50% support actually stands of the whole upward direction, and see what will happen around it, where the market will start reversal activity in an area that is harmonically equal to potential left arm, right there. So that's the nearest standing task for the trading here. That's what about the bulls. At this point, right there, I do not see any good background for considering taking a long position right now. For the bears, those of you who have taken the short position here, you will have to decide what to do here, just because, take a look. Action stands with acceleration. OP stands 107.80, which is perfectly agrees with the level that we intend to keep an eye on. And it seems that this level probably should be reached. The only risk that I see here is that, who knows, by some reason, maybe data will be released, maybe something. Potentially, it might be some kind of the head and shoulders, or sorry, butterfly, for instance, it might be the left wing. The whole body of this hourglass steeple to pattern, this might become left wing. And here, if market suddenly start upward direction, might be right wing. Although currently, with this type of the performance, I do not see that it's really big chances to happen, but I'm still telling you about this, just you should be ready if it will happen. And you have to control your position, managing your stop orders. Now definitely it makes sense to move them on the break even and see what will happen. So if market will start calling around, because here somewhere in this area probably will be the COP target. So if we consider, sorry. No, right, so you can see that here market's coming to the COP. I don't know what reaction will be. Usually when acceleration stands very fast, market as a rule ignores this level. So it might be just aiming on the breakout to the downside. Based on the performance that we see, these chances are better than some reversal or, as I said, butterfly, but still that might be some risk and you have to keep an eye on what will happen. So just monitor the situation around this level and react correspondingly. Finally, I would like to show you very important detail for concerning recent entry on the short side. So we have talked a lot about this pattern yesterday. It was actually the major pattern that we have discussed. And this some concern about the entry process. Here you could see kind of the head and shoulders pattern that you probably could recognize somewhere on lower time frames. But on the 4-hour time frame chart, if you plot here the predictor, you will see nothing interesting. So actually you will see even opposite pattern as a bullish grabber. But in reality, it was absolutely different. So if you take a look at the futures charts, you clearly will see the picture that confirms entry on the short side. No bullish grabber, only bearish grabber has been formed, and market collapsed. So that's why I'm talking every time and repeating it again. When you have this type of action, control this with the futures charts and see what really is going on here. Because if you would follow this scenario, you could make the wrong decision. So you could suggest that this will be the butterfly. Yes, this is grabber, let's go and let's buying. And you're getting the action against you immediately with acceleration. This is just because the wrong pattern has been formed. And just as because the actually big bets, this is really big problem of the retail brokers. Because first of all, they're showing absolutely different charts depending on what broker you choose. And very often they show wrong patterns. That's things that you have to keep in mind, and always check this in futures charts on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. So that's actually all that we have currently on euro currency. Let's just take a look once again at this action. We'll get this really fast. Maybe it is possible just monitoring the drop right back down. So some more signs that it's just should keep going lower. We will see. And let's be prepared for tomorrow release of the personal consumption expenditures. It might make really big volatility on the market if numbers will be significantly different from the expectations.